Looking for a full-frame camera that won't weigh you down? Meet the Canon EOS RP, compact, powerful, and perfect for creators on the move. This camera delivers full-frame image quality in a surprisingly lightweight body, making it ideal for travel and everyday shooting. Whether you're exploring new places or filming your next vlog, it's built to go wherever you go. At the heart of the EOS RP is a high-quality full-frame sensor, giving you sharp details, beautiful colors, and that professional depth of field. Photos look stunning, even in low light. And for video, you get smooth, high-quality footage that's perfect for content creation. Paired with the RF 24 to 105mm STM lens, you have versatility right out of the box. Wide shots, portraits, close-ups, all covered in one compact setup. One of its biggest strengths is usability. The intuitive interface, fast autofocus, and flip-out screen make it incredibly easy to shoot, especially for vloggers. You can frame yourself perfectly every time. Plus, it's designed for comfort. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to carry all day without fatigue. The result? Professional-level content without the bulk of traditional full-frame cameras. If you want quality, portability, and flexibility in one device, the Canon EOS RP is a fantastic choice. Check the link in the description to learn more.